Imagine you're standing at a crossroads. On one side, a path that promises safety, no surprises, no sleepless nights. On the other, a road filled with uncertainty. It looks dangerous, unpredictable, maybe even frightening. Now here's the question. Which road leads to wealth? Most people instantly choose the first one because we've been taught since childhood that safety is always the right choice. Play it safe, don't take risks, protect what you have. It sounds wise, but what if playing it safe is actually the biggest financial risk you'll ever take? Think about it. Every successful business, every great company, every investment portfolio, every millionaire's journey started with uncertainty, not certainty. The uncomfortable truth is this: every reward in life has a price, and that price is risk. But here's where almost everyone gets it wrong. Risk isn't the enemy. Misunderstanding risk is. Today, we're going to uncover the truth about risk, why it scares us, why some people avoid it forever, and why the wealthy don't run away from risk. They learn how to understand it. Here's one of the biggest myths in finance. People believe that avoiding risk keeps them safe. But does it? Imagine two people. The first keeps all of their money in cash. No investments, no market fluctuations, no uncertainty. It feels safe. The second person invests carefully. They diversify. They accept short-term uncertainty in exchange for long-term growth. Now fast forward 20 years. Who took the bigger risk? Most people would point to the investor, but the truth is often the opposite. Because while the investor experienced temporary ups and downs, the saver faced something far more dangerous: inflation. Every year, the purchasing power of their money quietly declined. Nothing dramatic happened, no market crash, no bad investment, yet year after year, their money bought a little less. That's the problem. The greatest risks are often invisible. Not investing, never learning, waiting forever, believing I'll start next year. Those decisions rarely feel risky today, but over decades, they become incredibly expensive. Sometimes, the biggest financial risk is doing nothing at all. Here's what separates wealthy investors from everyone else. They don't ask, how can I avoid risk? They ask, which risks are worth taking? Because every opportunity carries uncertainty. Starting a business is risky, but never building one has a cost too. Investing in stocks is risky, but allowing inflation to quietly reduce your purchasing power carries risk as well. Changing careers feels risky. Staying in a job with no future can be just as risky. The wealthy understand something powerful. Life never gives you a choice between risk and no risk. It gives you a choice between different kinds of risk. That's why successful investors spend less time avoiding uncertainty and more time understanding it. They diversify, they research, they prepare. They think in probabilities, not guarantees, because guarantees rarely exist in finance. Instead of asking, will this investment definitely succeed? They ask, if this doesn't work, can I recover? That's the mindset of someone who manages risk instead of fearing it. And that's why wealthy people often appear calm even when markets become chaotic. Not because they know the future, but because they prepared for uncertainty long before it arrived. There's an old saying in investing: higher returns usually require higher risk. Notice the word usually, not always, because taking more risk doesn't guarantee better returns. It only creates the possibility of better returns. That's the difference most people miss. Imagine two investors. The first chases every trending investment, every new cryptocurrency, every guaranteed opportunity, every viral stock tip. The second investor moves differently. They study, they ask questions, they diversify, they understand exactly what they're investing in. Both investors take risks, but only one understands them. And that's the hidden truth. The greatest investors aren't professional risk takers. They're professional risk managers. They don't gamble. They calculate. They don't hope. They prepare. Every investment they make answers one important question. Does the potential reward justify the risk I'm taking? Sometimes the answer is yes. Sometimes it's no. And they're comfortable walking away. Because successful investing isn't about saying yes to every opportunity. It's about saying yes to the right opportunities. The wealthy don't become wealthy because they avoid mistakes. They become wealthy because one mistake never destroys everything they've built. That's why diversification exists. That's why emergency funds exist. That's why research matters. Because managing risk isn't about predicting the future. It's about being prepared for multiple futures. At the beginning of this documentary, we asked a simple question. Which path leads to wealth? The safe one or the risky one? Now you know the answer. Neither. Because wealth isn't built by avoiding risk, and it isn't built by chasing it. It's built by understanding it. Every successful investor, every entrepreneur, every person who built lasting wealth faced uncertainty. They all experienced fear. They all questioned their decisions. The difference wasn't courage. The difference was perspective. They understood that fear isn't always a warning. Sometimes, it's simply the price of growth. The goal was never to eliminate risk. The goal was to make sure the risks you take are worth the future you're trying to build. Because every day, you choose something. You choose to invest, or to wait, to learn, or to ignore, to prepare, or to hope. And every choice carries its own risk. So don't ask, how can I avoid risk? Ask yourself something far more powerful. Which risk will I regret not taking 10 years from now? Because in the end, the biggest financial mistake isn't losing money. It's allowing fear to stop you from building a better future. The wealthiest people in the world don't have fewer fears than everyone else. They've simply learned to make decisions, even when certainty doesn't exist, because they understand one timeless truth. Risk is temporary. Regret can last a lifetime. And perhaps that's the real truth about risk. What do you think about risk? Let me know about it.